Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Design and the Unfamiliar Landscapes blog. So I'm at the Lost Bean coffee shop and I thought I would make this video to show you a Friday in a life and how I do with my Fridays. And this video will be posted the following Friday. It is currently the last Friday of July. So I want to show you kind of what I do on Fridays because I don't do design work on Fridays. Anyway, I'm going to turn this camera on and kind of take you around my days on a Friday. Anyway, and there will be more video content coming, which will be explained in a minute. Okay, so this is where I'm sitting at the coffee shop. There's no plug that I can plug into. Hello! And this is the breakfast I ordered because I was too lazy today to make breakfast at home. So I'm deciding if I sit here, which I can only do for a couple of hours because no plug, or sit at the corner here where there's a plug underneath there. But regardless, I think I'll just be here for a while and then move if I absolutely have to. Okay, so my first task usually is to upload a YouTube video and subsequently write a blog post about the video, but I don't have one for this Friday because it's been hard making YouTube videos and running my business and doing everything. Anyway, my second task is what I don't know how to properly refer to this, but this is a document that I use where I have the project number, date, name, phone, email, etc. about my clients. Now I'm not going to, due to client privacy reasons, I'm not going to show you the actual document for this year. But this is where I keep track of the statuses of all the clients in terms of billing and project notes and whatnot. And I usually every Friday go over this and invoice where necessary and update where necessary. So I've just been doing that for like the past hour-ish. Anyway. And my next task on the list is to do some business scheduling for the following week where I will show you. Okay, so it is 9:30, a little after 9:30, and I'm about to start making my schedule the way I do it. Unfortunately, it's having trouble focusing, but this is where I write all my tasks for the week. This is where I break it down further in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. And then I also use Google Calendar and also write it in here. So it goes in two different places. This is kind of like my bullet journal-ish, which is Microsoft OneNote, which I love. And it syncs to the same OneNote app on my phone and on my laptop. So I'm going to fill this out and get back with you. Okay. So this is what this currently looks like. These are all broken down with my landscape design business, YouTube, art, overall, personal. And then I break it down here. I haven't completely finished doing Saturday and Sunday because there's personal stuff that I don't want shown on camera. Anyway. And then here I take general notes. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I transfer this to Google Calendar. I'm also watching a video. It's an anti-MLM video. I love watching anti-multi-level marketing videos because they're fun to watch. And I am not a fan of multi-level marketing. Anyway. But yeah, so this is what scheduling looks like. So like for example on Monday, that's all I have to do, and it's a project that I'm starting that literally will take all day. So yeah, I will then go into this Google Calendar and fill it all in. Okay, so it's noon. I have 3 of these that I do backups in, where I take the files that I've worked on for a week and back them up, just in case. I have 2 more, so I have a total of 3, but I forgot to bring the other 2, so today I'm only going to back it up on this one, and then next Friday I'll do this one again and then the other 2. Anyway, this is still my setup. After this, I will be completely finished for the day, and we'll probably do some painting, which I will show you if I do that. Okay, so I did this drawing. This lady was sitting here, but she's not anymore. And then the other day, I did this, which I will probably paint over the weekend.